Welcome back to some more coding. I need some music and some coffee. So, right, before I do anything else, let's talk about stats. I mentioned last time that I need to have a look at this whole mess and probably rewrite it. So I had a look a bit today. Okay, so this is what it is supposed to look, right? And I was looking at the code of this and I was just like, I don't understand this. This is just like adding shit code on top of shit code on top of shit code. So let me just go all the way back when I initially added this, which was here. This is what I initially did. So let us have a look at this. So the way it works is I have a list of those tracked commands somewhere in here. There it is. And then I loop over this list. And I do that probably in here. Stats. Yes. There we go. I loop over that stuff somewhere in here. Yes. And for every command, I run this command count function, which accesses the database and gets a log report, which is just a fancy name of saying the total amount of all of those records in a certain time frame. This gets all of the log entries in that time frame and then loops over them and adds the count of the amount. So I looked at this and I was like, wait a second. Are you telling me that if I look at this, I mean, that is 3, 6, 7 entries in a field. It's 7 fields. So I access the database 49 times just to make this embed. And every time I do that, I load all of the records for that time, which goes back to a fucking year. So it's literally all the records I have for every user. And I mean, looking at it, obviously it's really fast for me because I do not really do much in this game. But there are users in here that have tens of thousands of records, and I load all of them into the RAM multiple times because I do that for the hour, for 12 hours, and I do that for every single line. And I was like, I mean, that can't be the optimal way of doing this, right? So question number 1 was, can't I just count the records? Because, I mean, count is fast. No, I can't because I need amount. So, I should probably access database. So let me have a look at the Navi's database. By the way, just let's have a look at Navi's live database, which are all offline. That's great. Why are they offline? I think I logged out of the Discord. No, I'm logged in. No, I'm not. Okay, I need to log in real quick. Yeah, luckily this opened up on my second screen, so you can't see what I'm doing. That's perfect. Let me just log in to that real quick. Error. Well, that's just amazing. That looks great. What the fuck? Dude, this is my login data here. I didn't change it. Now it worked for some reason. Okay. Let me restart this. Oh. Eat it like that. Okay, that is another. Yeah. Now I need to log in here again. Great. That doesn't work. I swear, this is just... Okay, let me just change this. This should... Oh, God. Okay. That worked. All right, connected. I need to have a look at the other shit later on. I want to have a look at the tracking log. So this is the live database. It's still counting records. There's got to be a lot of records. And as you can see, there's a lot of amounts in here, so it's not always one. So I need to get these records and I need to get this amount. I have 1.623 million. I mean, okay, but didn't I? Now I'm a little weirded out because if I remember correctly, yesterday I was looking at Maya and in here I had almost as many records. How is that even possible? I have a suspicion. Yeah. Why is this? Okay, so I will get back to the other thing in a second. Something is a little weird here. So the way it is supposed to work. Let's have a look at Navi. I think that is a task. There is a task that runs every day at midnight, which then will take all of the log entries that are older than 20. There it is, right? That is older than 28 days. It actually runs every minute. No. Never mind. Yes, it checks the current time every minute. Yeah, it runs at midnight. And it takes everything that is older than 28 days and kind of condenses it into one entry per item in a day. So, and Maya is also supposed to do that. Well, I mean, the function is here. Now, question is it actually run? Sorted, yeah. Well, it's active, but it is clearly not working. Yeah, because it didn't consolidate a single record. That explains why it loads those records so slowly. Jesus, why is that? Yeah, okay, that is not really what I want to do today. I will have a look at this some other time. Let me just make a note of this. It's probably yet another stupid, just let me do one little thing because because I'm curious. So Maya is to the right. Navi is to the left. So there are some slight differences. I mean, yeah. I can already see that I have this exact same line twice. That makes complete sense. That is, yeah. That's quite literally the same thing with the exception of this, but that is correct. And the database has a different name. So but that should be correct. Where's the database? No, that's Navi. Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, anyway, I will have to look that up quickly soon, but I'll do that off screen. That is I didn't realize that this isn't working. That's not great. Anyway, we were talking about the tracking shit. So yeah, I do a lot of SQLs. Now, again, I can't count the records. Yes, that's where I was. And then I was like, well, I could at least get all of these records in one single giant SQL and then loop over it in RAM. But I still have to load all of them to the RAM, which kind of seems weird. I mean, do I really have to do that? I mean, it's an SQLite database, it's on an SSD, it's fast. But it's also... it just seems weird. And then, finally, I started asking the real question is, can't I do that in the database? And as it turns out, when looking it up, this whole thing is so amazingly easy to do. If you know that you can do that. And so the underlying issue is that I did never actually read anything about SQL. I read a few books about the coding language. I read a book about regex, but I never read a book about SQL. And I should maybe do that one day, so I have an idea what I can do, because, well, this would have been super fucking easy if I just knew I had that option. So I did make the SQL already. So I am going to do this in Navi because this is gonna improve stuff. Actually, you know what? Let me do that in Maya. Well, yeah, I would notice a big difference probably, but no, let's do it in Navi. So what I am going to do now is, first of all, let me get rid of this list because I don't need that list anymore. Tracked commands, I don't need that. Goodbye. I will copy paste it for now because I need to still know the order. There we go. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, let me go and have a look at where this, there it is, compiled. So now I'm going to access the database for every field exactly one. So I'm still going to do that. I'm not going to loop over these anymore. I don't need that. Let me rename that and call it design field. Alright, so. And now I still get a log report and then I yada yada whatever. Now the log report is going to change completely. Here I get a lot of log entries, right? I'm not going to do that anymore. Instead, I'm going to call an SQL here directly. Tracking leaderboard. Is that even a thing? Tracking leaderboard, yeah, that actually exists. Okay, well. What is the name of the table? Tracking log. We're going for tracking log. Log report. So SQL. Now it's getting interesting. Now, where did I do this? Oh yeah. So the SQL will select commands and command count, and I can just get the total of all of those by just using this SQL function. And now, and this is what makes it even better from table. Now I need the user ID, obviously, and something about time, date time. Let me see. Get log entries, date time. Yes, this part. Date time, UTC now minus time frame. Okay. That looks all right. That looks like I was editing. There we go. And daytime, yes. Okay. And now this last part is important. Group by command, which essentially make it I get a single record for every command with the total count. So that is exactly what I need anyway. So there is no looping anymore. It's just everything I need is right in this SQL. If it works, of course. Which is just, and I'm just like, why didn't I not realize that? Get all log entries. No, get log entries. Where is it? There we go. Okay. Daytime. And, let me just get all of that. Schism. If not records. Yeah, let me just get all of this. I might need that. So, daytime. All right, I don't need that part. Guild ID. Actually, do I need the guild ID? Get log report. Yeah, actually, yeah. I might need it. So, and guild ID SQL. Let's add that to the ends. Group by command. Okay. What is with all those problems? Command is not defined. Ah, that's, yeah, okay, that's the other module. Yeah, I don't care about that. All right, now we need the user ID, date, time. I don't need this anymore. All right. Because I now get all of the commands. This is the normal error. No log data but found in database for log report data, so I have an idea where I am. Time frame, yes, whatever, okay. Raise an error, that's okay. So now I have all of the records, log entries. Now I would like, let's see, the log report. I think that is a container. I need to change that as well. Command count. Yeah, I'm just going, I could of course just loop all over them and then add them to a field, which would make it completely automatic. So if I ever add more, it will just appear. The problem is I would like to order these by cooldown time, and I can't do that with an automatic ordering. I can order by name, I can order by amount, and all of that is not gonna help me. So I will just have to make this manually. So what I'm going to do is, actually, let's see, what do we have? Hunt, work, farm, command farm, no, farm amount. All right, hunt amount, work amount, training, full training, and we have adventure and a Pycord. Okay. And guild ID, if it exists, yeah. Report type. I don't know why I added that. Do I even use that anywhere? No. It also makes no sense that I added that, because I can just check if it has a guild ID or not. So that makes no sense. Time frame, yeah, obviously, and the user ID. Okay, that sounds okay. And now I should maybe order that stuff. I like alphabetical stuff. So what is this, by the way? This is the leaderboard. Count commands for log entry in what? Log entry in log entries. Oh, this is the yeah, I have to change this as well. Yeah, okay, but I'm not gonna do that now, otherwise I will be here forever. Let me make another note. Okay, anyway. Do I have ticked to log entry? Do I have a ticked to log report? I don't think I did that. Okay, get log entries. Not even sure I will still need these functions after this. Get log report. All right. Log report, yeah. This part. Now, okay, now, no, wait. I now have multiple records. And usually I make a container for one record. In this case, I make a container for well, I mean, I guess I have no idea if this is very elegant, but I'm just gonna do it like this. So, records data is an empty dictionary, and I'm just gonna pop that stuff. Records, dicts, records, commands. That's probably a little more readable. Record commands equals command count, right? Okay, and now I can just do that and see what do we have here. We have hunt amounts equals records data hunt. Yeah, that should be all there is. Adventure, we have the epic guards. Epic guard. Actually, epic guard. What is the epic guard? Oh, is there an underline here? No, just epic guard. Okay. What else do we have? We have farm, we have work, we have training and ult training. All right. User ID, time frame, ripple type, goodbye. Command count, guild ID, yes, guild ID. Oh, oh. Yes, okay, the guild ID, okay, guild ID equals none if guild ID is up there. If no, actually, just I don't even need that because it's optional. And if just that's all it needs. So I think that's it. And now I just need to return the log report. Get rid of that stuff. So, and now let's see that report type. Okay. Report type, log leaderboard. Yeah, okay, that's another object. Okay. Yeah. Log report. Do I have any methods here? No. Nothing. I don't need any. Yeah. Okay. So, back in here. And now I get that report. Oh, wait a second. I also need to change this. First of all, I don't need that. Command. I don't need command anymore. I need only the user ID and the time frame for all commands for a certain amount of time for user ID. Yes, log report object. I think that looks good. Get log reports. Yeah, I only use it here and here. Perfect. All right, now I get the log report and I only need these two arguments now. Yeah, time frame. And now the text, I can just do it like this. Reports. No. Tracking the log report. Okay, so this thing has a proper type. And now let's make this a little more readable. Now report dot hunt amount. No, report dot hunt. I just write hunt amount. There we go. And now I just do that. Again, automatic would be nice, but then the ordering is off, sadly. So I could do that, but I would have to also store the cooldown of the command and or an index for each entry. And no, that's just makes it more complicated if you ask me. All right, hunt work training. Oops. Training. What the hell? Training. Work farm. Training. All training. Adventure. Pycord. Okay. Adventure and Pycord. Okay. Work. Farm. Training. But training. No. All training. Adventure and Pycord. Cool. If there is nothing at good point. If there are no records, okay, yeah, okay. If there are no records, I still need to create this. So I remove this because there will be no error here. I need to do. It's a little ugly, but yeah, I think that's what I have to do. Adventure, Pycord, hunt, work. We have the bow, the bull training and the training and hunt training. That should be all done. All right, cool. Is there any other way of doing this? I don't think so. No. I need the keys. Okay. I think that looks okay. So. Back in here. I don't need that. Field content makes a little more sense than text. Return it, and yeah, now all I need to do is I also don't need that anymore, so arrow's gone. Cool. Anything else in here that is now obsolete? Why do I have this weird argument here if I don't actually use it? Is there a reason for that? I think there might be one because of the interaction view. I'll leave it just in case. Oh, there's an... Yeah, okay. Let's just start it and have a look at everything that implodes now. WST. Boom. Yeah, of course there's an error. There's always an error. What? Get log report. Oh, what? What is this? Command. Oh, okay, wait. I should maybe start it again. Okay. There's no key. Let's see. Records. Command. Okay, so the title is not command count. I mean, okay, sure. It's a little ugly, but whatever. I'm really amazed that this actually works already. I should have maybe had a look at that before I... Let's do a hunt. Well, it worked. Can I do a training? Yes. This is a little annoying. Can I do a farm? Okay. Seems to work. Nice. So, and all of that with one single SQL for each field. Oh well. Okay, now the same thing for the other embed. You know what? Let's go for 365. Yeah, okay, that is not a time frame. Yeah, I know. Ah, of course, that, yeah, never mind. Okay, I do get the log reports. Okay. I can just copy paste this. Okay. Time left sec. What is that exactly? Oh, yeah. I already got rid of that shit in Molly, let's do that in Navi as well, because why not? Tracking content. I already got rid of that and replaced it with a single line, I think. Command count, stats, time frame. Look. There we go. Not even a line. Human friendly import, yes, okay. There we go. Upper, yes. Navi speaks uppercase, okay. So I can just get rid of this shit. Time frame. Yes, that. Oh my god, all of that is for that. Jesus. So that's literally all I have left. I love it. Okay, I think that's it. And now the other thing is migrated as well. Dude, it is so much easier to do this. And it's also fast. Yeah, and now I just have to figure out why the hell that other function isn't running in Maya. And also have to add all of this to Maya. But we were talking about Molly, so now I can copy this stuff over to Molly. Except of course Molly has, let's run Molly, has, instead of this list, has some other stuff. So I'm going to do a few things differently here. I am going to give the container actually six attributes. Is it attributes? I think it's attributes, right? Because property is something else. Now it's an attribute, I think. Rates, roles, and then we have the rate points gained and rate points lost. The rate points total, I mean, I don't need to calculate that. I can do that on the fly. And then I will add another attribute for all of these, because these will be expanded by the dev. We already know that he will add more of these worker types. So I would like to do it in a way that these are these will automatically expand, but I'm looking at them, I just realized they also have a certain order. I can't just order them by name. I also can't order them by... Yeah, I need some kind of ID. I need to order them somehow. How do I do that? How do I order these workers? I mean, let me have a look at the Molly database. The easy way would just be to tracking log I was calling this text. You know, I think I will just call this item or whatever, but I can do that off screen. Worker deficient, worker common. I mean, I could add another column and just add an index or something. Yeah, that would probably be the easiest, right? Just a sort index. That would mean I would have to enter the sort index when writing the data, though. That is ugly. That is quite ugly. Another option would be to just have a list somewhere inside the code with the order and then just order. No, I don't even know how you do that. I would have to look that up. I could have of course just add something inside the text. That would probably be the easiest. So instead of worker useless, it would just be worker 1 useless. And now I can order them. Yeah, I think I'll do that. It's kind of ugly. I'm not really happy with it, but it's the only idea I have right now. I can always change it later. So, let's useless. Common would be 3. Let's sort this by text. That would be 2. I mean, you know what? Instead of doing this, I could just take out this completely and just make it worker 1 and worker 3 and then get those names by index out of a list. I think that is probably... Is that more elegant? I don't know. I like it a little better. So, worker types. Do I use that somewhere? Well, worker type in worker types. Yes, I used it there, but I'm... Wait. This is not the embed with the overview. This is something else. I just loop over them. Yeah, okay. I will just order these. Ordered by rarity. Okay, so I'm starting with the useless one. Deficient, common, talented, wise, expert, masterful. Okay. And now I loop over these, and now instead of adding this at the end, I will add the index. Worker type index in, or is it index worker type? Anyway, enumerates that whole thing. Let's see. For index comes first. Okay. All right, and now I just enter the index. Yeah, the index. Let's just use the index. That of course means if I use the index, this is worker 0, not worker 1, but that saves me some using my brain. That's what. Okay, so worker wise is what? 4. Okay. Cool. The only issue with this, of course, is if he adds another type and it's not, you know, it's not another one down here, but it is one in between the other ones, I'm gonna have a complete and utter problem. That is the issue, alright? Yeah, that actually is an issue. I mean, I don't know what he's going to do. But if he will be like, well, I will make another worker type called a little less useless, and it's kind of in between these two, then the index changes of all of them except useless, and my data in here will be completely wrong. So I will have to use the name after all. Shit. Great, isn't it? Isn't it? So I will have to use the name after all. So what I'm going to do is I am keeping this list, and when calling them, I will just add an index. Let me think. I can just check it in here and check the index and then add that and sort them this way. Yeah. Oh, great. That means I can now undo all of the shit I did. Oh, why? Well, actually, it's not that bad. There, done. Okay. A lot of useless work. I love it. So, cool. Oh, being here, by the way, let's get rid of these. I don't need these anymore because I will calculate those on the fly. But what I will have to do, let's see. Where is the rate point amount? Where do I get that? Over here, okay. So I would like to... How do you remove... How do you take a negative value and make... Oh, never mind. I just got it. Anyway, so if amount equals int amount. So if amount is below 0, amount time -1, so it's not negative anymore. That's okay. And then item or lock. I still don't know how to name this stupid column. I don't like text at all. Log item. I will probably just call it item, yeah. So item equals rate points lost. Else rate points gained, because if I get it from the database as a total amount, I need to have these separate. Otherwise, I will just get rate points with, well, a total amount, which is not helpful. Yeah, I don't need the int amount. Right, so, and that reminds me of the other one with the role. Where was that? Tracking user ID. There it is. I don't need to do that. Yes. This is looking for the Pycord type. Here it is called item. Well, no, it's not called item, but let's also call it item. Okay. Right. Now I noticed a lot of problems. Why? Track rates. Great. How did that happen? Now we are... let's go to the database. This is taking way longer than I expected. How long have I been here already? 1 hour. Jesus. It's always like this. Oh, let me do this real quick. And then, poof, evening gone. Get log report. Here we go. Wait, before I do that, let me have a look at the container. Let's start with container. Log report. Okay. Navi, hello. I can't speak anymore. That's better. Navi. There you are. Let's just copy all of these. Let's see. Now, what I'm going to do here essentially is the role amount. I'm going to have the rate amount. I will have the rate points lost, and I will have the rate points gained. And then I will have an attribute with all of the workers, which is just a dictionary. Actually, yeah, but only if I... let's see. Python. How do you sort a dictionary using a list as a template? Will that even do something? Oh man, you know, I'm such an idiot. I can just loop over these and then make a new one, I guess. Yeah, let's just do that. It's not a large dictionary anyway. So, goodbye. Anything in here that I report type? No. By text? No. Okay. Yeah, let's maybe... That's better. Alphabetical, very important. So, cool. Log report, where is that shit? Here it is. Now let's just copy paste the whole thing. Let's see if I have to change stuff. Oh, actually, let's start with the text. I don't need the text anymore, which is called item now anyway. For all commands. Okay. Let's just copy all of this and see what happens. Tracking log, get log report, some amount. Is it called amount? Amount, yes. Command is also not command. Yeah, text. I will rename that later. Where user ID? Yeah. The rest can stay. Group by, no wait, group by text. Record data. Okay, the records data. I'm just thinking right now. Okay, roles, rates, rates, points lost, rate points gained. Workers is another dictionary, I would say, right? Yeah, let's just make that an empty one for now. Okay, so dict record, yada yada, records data, text, amount. Okay, now if records text starts with worker, and we have a worker. Record text equals the amount, right? If it's not a worker, add it to the other one. Okay, so far so good. And now I reordered these workers. I have the same issue here again, that not necessarily every worker is in the database. Oh. How do I do this that I do not have to change this code? Actually, let's do it like this. Worker type in strings. Worker types. Oh, actually that is very smart, because then it is already sorted the right way. Never mind, I don't need this. Okay, yes. So let's just workers, worker type equals 0. It's that easy. Okay. And now I get the records, and now I can, yeah. Oh, wait. Of course, this returns not only the worker type, but also the... Okay, so I need to... I could either replace it or just count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I think that is probably easiest. So, cool. And now that is already ordered. Now, log reports. Now we have rate amounts. That equals... Oh, fuck. Of course, there had to be another problem. Oh, I didn't think of this. You know what? I need to take a leak anyway, so I will be back in a second, and I can use these minutes to think about this for a second. I'll be back. Okay, so maybe to explain what the issue here is. The rate amount. Let's maybe start with the roll amount, okay? The roll amount is easy, right? The roll amount is just, I just need to do that. Roll amount 0. And then I can, for, yeah, roll amount and increase that by the amount of worker types, because that is just what the roll amount in the end is, the amount of people I got out of those roles. But the rate amounts, the problem is I get the rate points gained, I get the total, and the rate points lost, the total, so I have no idea how many records that would have been. Why do I even... I don't need those. So, yeah. I think the only way of doing this is actually doing a second SQL. It's not a big SQL, but yeah, I will have to do it. Let me just go and copy shit from what I already did. Select count user ID. From table. The table isn't changing, but the SQL is. Okay, I need to do a second SQL. I have this. Select count. This just counts the user IDs. I don't think I need to do any from table where. Okay. User ID. Date time. And I'm actually not sure. Do I need brackets here? SQLite 3, select where, and or I assume I need, let's see, there are any examples? Yeah, here we have an or, but I would like an and or an or, there we go. I assume there needs to... I should really read a book about SQL. That would really be a good idea at this point. Guys, not helpful. And or. Uh-oh. Okay. Using SQLite book. Yeah, I'm gonna read that on screen now. Oh, no. Come on. Someone made an example, right? There we go. Yes, okay. It needs brackets. There we go. And now, text equals, or text equals something else. Okay. I mean, I could also do that text in, but no, it's only 2. So select count from table where user ID and datetime and text. Yeah, okay. And now I'm gonna execute that. And I need the user ID. I need the datetime again. I need rate points gained, rate points lost. Okay, record. I will only get a single record. What exactly will I get back? Ah. Yeah, okay. Record count. Let's call it record count. Rate count. What? Good count. Okay. And now why did I call it the rate count and rate amount, and why do I do that? Okay. That's better. Beautiful. Okay. Now I have the rate amount, I have the roll amount, I have the epic. Yeah, I most certainly don't need epic guard amount. So workers, I'll just add workers. Oh, something else I just remembered. I also need the emoji, right? So, although that should not be a problem. Let's see how the emojis are named. Common, yeah, no, that's fine. Okay, not a problem. What else? Rates. Yes, rate points gained. Okay. And lost, and I think that would be list. Lost. That should be all of it, right? Jesus, just come on. There we go. Okay. Now we can get rid of this shit. Let's see. Now. Yeah, I don't need to do that anymore. The command count. Yes, I took that out, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, yo. Whoa. Oh, yeah. This is the whole weird shit I did yesterday to tack on the nonsense. Okay, let's call it design field. Although, yeah, no, that's okay. Remove commands. All right, now report, get log report, amount, text. Okay, okay, so let's start with the rates. Field contents. Okay, Let's start with the rates. Rates, and I wanted to do this like this, and okay, let me add a type here, tracking.log report. Okay, so report.rate amount. Okay, cool. Then we have, how did I do this? I added a rate emoji, the rate point emoji. Okay, emoji's rate point. Well, I mean, I could just look at it down here. That would, yeah, gained. Report.rate points gained and lost. And then we have the rate point total. Rate point gains. Okay, easy. Now I'm gonna copy paste this. The roll amounts, rolls. Okay. That's the start of it. And now I just for worker in report.workers. Now first I need the emoji of that stuff. Worker emoji. Emojis dot. No wait. What is the exact syntax of that thing? There we go. Get attributes of emojis. Worker. Work. Wait. What? This is a dictionary. I need to act accordingly. Worker name, worker amount. There we go. Worker name dot upper because uppercase, right? If it is not there, I should probably add a default value because otherwise this will give some ugly errors. Let's just use a random, I don't know, an arrow emoji or whatever. Yeah, let's do that because then people will be like, what's this? Is that intended? I'm like, no. Thank you very much for reporting. Okay, worker amount. So I have the worker emoji. And now I can just field content equals field content, new line, and I'm gonna, oh yeah, okay, and the detail emoji is emojis dot detail if it is the last item. So if worker how do I check if it's the last item of the list? I already did it here. Okay. Let's see if that works. Yeah, that should work. Actually. Else emoji. Detail 2. Okay. Anyway, detail emoji, space, worker emoji, amount. Oh, the percentage. I need the percentage. Where do I calculate that? There we go. Okay. The bit of percentage, worker amount, item count. What is item count? This, by the way, is also super smart. I called a function item count and the argument as well. Yeah, that was super smart. It actually works, but still stupid. That only leads to issues later on. So the item count. Okay, I call item count, and the item count is the amount of what? Report amount. I assume it is the amount of all roles, right? Yeah. So report.role amount. Then I assume not a space, no, but there is a G. Where was I? Help. Okay. And I think that is quite literally it. Can get rid of that. Okay. Wow, that took way longer. I wanted to do some other stuff as well, but okay. Last 1 hour. Okay. Sign field is only the time frame with the user now. Okay. By the way, do I even need this line anymore? I'm pretty sure I don't need that line anymore. So I can get rid of even more shit. I love this. Just get rid of code because you don't need it anymore. This is nice. Nice. Now let's do the exact same thing here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yes, also another thing. I wanted to get rid of that last field because who cares about the pay date? No one does. It's not important. I also don't need these, by the way. And I also don't need the current time. Jesus. I need it here because of the last time travel, okay. But I can also get rid of these. So, let me just run Navi real quick to see if that still works. Just in case. Okay, works. Cool. Now, Molly, we also have the other one for the time frame. I can get rid of this again. Field, time frame, design field. Get rid of that. I could also get rid of that here, right? Field oh, no, wait. I don't need. I didn't do that here because, yeah. Because I have this in here. I can just remove that and add it here. Okay, and now I can just, you know, do that. Instead of doing this in here, which makes no sense. Get rid of that stuff. Done. Check if it still runs. There is one problem. User is not defined. Ah, yeah. Okay, I have to give it the user then. That is easily changed. Okay. Down here as well. Let's see if it still runs. Oh, I was testing live Navi. Well, of course that runs. Shit. Okay. Here's the user still missing. That happened so many times, I can tell you. Just like, well, it just worked. Yeah, but it was the wrong Navi. Okay, that. Cool. Looks fine. Now, design field, yada yada, whatever. Let's call it the same, shall we? I don't need that anymore. Also, yeah, let's clean up a little bit. I don't need those weird new lines. Alright. So, Molly, let's see if you still work or if I completely broke you. Ooh, okay, that's not a good sign. I was just like, what the shit? I literally copy pasted the code, right? This is what happens when you copy paste the code. Oh, now what now? Key arrow. Yeah, well, this is not a list. This happens to be a dictionary, so it's maybe not quite as easy to check for the last item. Yeah, okay. I need to get list dots. Actually, just keys. So, it's a little ugly, but it should work. Hey! Get an output. So, roles look correct. I'm not really happy how these look because it's kind of like but I'm pretty, yeah, all the numbers kind of look the same, but I remember going over this with Maya and it didn't look any better. By the way, these all have emojis and are ordered the correct way. Isn't that great? Love it. I don't have any rates, but of course that is because, okay. First of all, let's get rid of all of the role shit. I don't need that stuff anymore. I also don't need rates. That is of course because rate points is still, no, rate point lost and rate points gained. All right. Now if I call it again, I should get something. Maya. I have too many bots, I swear. But did you just notice how slow that was? Huh? That was really slow. 2 rates. That's wrong. That is wrong. Okay. First, let's have a look in here. Did I make a typo? Rate point. Yeah, actually I did it. A simple typo. Okay, that's it. Now it's 3. Cool. So the counting works. Now let's check if this also works. Cool. I'm not entirely happy on how this looks, but okay. Now, another thing I wanted to do though is it looks a little less ugly now, right? Because I removed the last one that was kind of just down here to the left. But I would like to split this into 2 embeds because of the count of the characters. And also I think it will actually help because it is then a little split in the middle and it will look a little better. So let's make that 2 embeds. Oh, I have to be a little careful with this though. I have to think about this. I mean, it's easy to do, but there's one caveat here. I add this thing down here. So, essentially what I'm doing here is I get the embed. And then where is the view? Here's the view. No, actually it's easy. No, actually it's fine. It's fine. So I'm just gonna embeds. That's embeds, make that an S at the end, and so I'm just going to embed 2 is none. By default, none. And yeah, I'm gonna make embed 1 and embed 2. Actually, I could call that embed 1. It's usually, I don't like these numbers because they don't really tell you what it is, but in this case I think it's quite obvious. So now actually, no, that's okay. Now I just copy paste the whole thing. Embed 2, remove this line, I don't need that. I also don't need a title for this one. Last hour, I also don't need these 3. Now I just return embed 1, embed 2 as a tuple and remove these 3 from the first one. Okay. Now I just need to handle the new tuple. I return. Oh wait. Yeah, okay, so the other one is still a single embed. Okay. So either I also make the other one a tuple, which is kind of stupid. No, I will just embed. There we go. None. No, does that work? Let's see if this works. Okay. I do not know exactly what his code expects. We will find out. Embeds. And now I just have to change these as well. Embeds equals embeds and embeds. And that should actually now be split into 2 embed. Oh. Oh. Why? This code, why? Okay, let me have a quick look at my smartphone real quick to see how that looks on mobile. Probably not great. Where is the channel? Oh, okay. Okay, it's just all on top of each other. Anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Oh my god, I would not want to look at this on my smartphone. But okay, wait a second. Let me have a look at it. If I zoom on mobile, maybe that looks a little less ugly. No, it's still the exact same thing. It's just everything on top of each other. Okay, well, so it doesn't really matter on mobile. There is a trick on how to make them the same width, but the question is, why exactly are these even like this? Oh, because these are all 0 and these are not. So if I also had numbers up here, you know, okay, let me open another completely different project I haven't opened in a very long time. No, that's not what I wanted. Yo. I'm not sure. There's another folder / examples. That looks promising, maybe? No. Is that even in this project? I might actually not. Oh, damn. I don't even know. Where the hell did I add it? Okay, now I need to go to a hidden server real quick. One second. I need to see where did I add that stuff? Epic RPG Guide Dev. You gotta be kidding me. Well, it's most certainly not in there anymore. Okay, but I did add something in here as well. Testing sounds. Oh, this sounds went. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, so yeah, this is looking good, but this is just the view. I need to embed. Testing cog. Yeah, testing command. Enchanting. No, Wender. There we go. Embed. There we go. So this is the item, the picture on the top. Yeah. So what I did is, yes, set image. Oh, hello. Could you please copy the link? So, it opened it. Right. So, what I have here is an image that is 449 pixels wide and 1 pixel high. And I can add that, and I can try to download that if I can hit the image. Let me have a look at this very quick. So, Molly. Let me open it. Yeah, great. Maybe open it in an actual useful app. Molly. Where's Molly? There we go. Okay, so there is. It's just an alpha thing. Okay, cool. Oh, by the way, that reminds me. I also wanted to see how these look. Yeah, let me do that afterwards. Because I'm not going to start anything else today anyway. This took way longer than expected. Okay, so 449 pixels. I actually don't know why exactly it is. I can probably make it. Wait a second. Discord, embed, max width. Is there something that is useful? Embeds, Discord, that is JavaScript, but that really doesn't matter. Why did that even pop up if there's nothing useful? I don't know, there is a thing like a max in... I don't think that it is a thing. I'm just going to edit and see what happens. I'm just literally going to copy paste this line and see how it looks. So, content tracking, where are those embeds? Let's see what happens. Oh, I need to get my Discord back. Would you look at that? Now, the real question is how it looks on mobile. Oh, actually fine. Still the exact same. Okay, cool. So I think I'm just going to do that. See, what happened here now, to explain this real quick, is I added this picture that has no actual content down here. It's here, right? And because of this, now everything is the same width. Now the question, of course, is what happens when I get some numbers. I mean, if you look at all rates of a year, you might get a lot of rates, so that is probably going to be a problem. So if I just insert a lot of lost points, can't you just... Okay, I'll just do it one by one then. Alright then. Thank you. And a lot of... Let's make these larger. A lot of rate points gained. Let's see how it looks now. Actually, it still looks fine. But it's still only 60k. That will be much higher. Let's go up! Let's go for really big numbers. Okay, now it just moves to another line, but it's still the same width. Okay. I mean, it's obviously really ugly now, but at least it's still the same width. Important. If I... Let me open, for example, this real quick. This is a little less wide. Is there anything I can do to check just how much I could... What I could do is this. Let's see what happens now. Ooh. That works fine. Oh, you know what? Let me open the area guide for area 13 because there is a picture in this stupid bug. I swear, I still have no idea what it is. It has been there for ages. There we go. Woo! That is, bruh. Okay, so yeah, I assume this is as... So I could go way beyond that. Let's do that. Let's take this and make it a little wider. I'm just going to 451. Delete the content and make this Molly images 550. Yeah, of course the other one was on a homepage of mine for some reason. I don't know why I did that. I did all of those on the homepage. Why though? I'm pretty sure there is a reason for that. See? This is easier. Yeah, well, okay, easier. Let's see. Resources. IMG, I don't know. What do I call this stupid line? Embed with line. Huh? Why not? Images. What is it called? Okay. Right. Okay. Now I have that. Now. Yes, I need to do that. Image settings dot img dot yada yada, and the image URL is then embedded with line. Okay, and now I just use this instead of the actual URL. The URL king URL, probably in proper English. I have no idea. Molly ST. What? Ah. Yeah. And here's the deal. I attached it to this embed, but I didn't actually send it with the embed. I need to send it because otherwise it's not attached. That's probably, yeah, that's probably the reason I didn't do it, because it's just a hassle. Yeah, see, I need to, there we go. I need to send this. So let's file is none. No, image is none. Else yada 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 whatever. Okay, and now I can upload that stuff. File equals image. So, and now it's also uploaded to Discord, and now it should be attached. Oh, never mind. Interesting. Did I make a typo again? Yes. I did make a typo again. Tatsache. Oh, come on. Why is it still not working? I assume I'm just realizing the reason I uploaded it when I tested it, because it clearly doesn't work. There some kind of let me have a look at this. But IMG logo, I upload IMG logo and that also works, right? What's the problem? Why does that work? I'm doing the exact same thing here. What on earth did I do differently that this doesn't work? It's probably another very, very stupid error. I mean, this is literally just an attachment. That's all there is. And then I use that set image. Well, I mean, this is not a set image. This is a thumbnail, but let me have a look at the other one. I'm pretty sure I did have an example of that. Yeah, here we go. Come on. I really don't see why this shouldn't work. It has to be a really stupid error. It always is. But oh wait. Oh, it's time to go to bed soon, I guess. If time string is none, then image is none. No, then image is not none. Jesus. It's quite the other way around. Fuck me. As I said, stupid error. Always. Always. But oh, what? Molly? Oh. Breakpoints. Yeah. Okay. Although, interestingly enough, that didn't make it any wider, did it? Where's the other one? Let me get something and hold it to the screen. Oh, okay, I hold this to the screen. Now I scroll down. It's the exact same width. What? That's interesting. So that didn't do shit. But how is it that this is so much wider? I guess one would have to ask Discord to understand that. Anyway. Maybe it is because I only have 2 inline fields here next to each other. But here it's 3. Although one would expect if it's more fields it would take more space, not less. There is probably some weird logic behind it. Okay. Okay, let's see if the other stuff still works. Yeah, that is the wrong bot. Cool. Right, so yeah, let's leave it like that. Okay, now yeah, to end this, let's do something entirely different. Let's upload this and see how it looks when I use this. Yes. I don't have any emoji space left. Well, I need to do another one anyway. Probably. No, that is not. Molly, where are you? Yeah. Yeah, okay. First, let's upload that emoji. And let's call it BP2. Actually, first let's see how these look next to each other. Okay, that's okay. BP. Nah, yeah, I need to invite Molly in here, otherwise that won't do shit. Come on, Molly. All right. And now all right. And now what I'm going to do is essentially call this BP old and this BP, and now reload, and now we can see how that looks. I'm in the wrong channel. Well, I mean, if I change this to a square, I also have to change these down here to something that is more like, wait, I already opened the guide. Wait, Navi. Oh, let's open Navi. Yeah, okay. No, not that. Navi what? Navi help? Yeah, these, right? Because these are also. What is the name for this? They have a hard corner, right? 90 degrees, bam. And the other ones I made here are, they have rounded corners. Because I made that for Maya. You know what? Now I started, I might as well. No, not this. Maya. No, not Maya. Navi. Where's the detail too? Oh wow, Epic RPG Guide has a lot of emojis in here. Great, they didn't even save them. Dude, where did I guess I just re-download them then. I mean, I have them on Discord, but that means I need to use my browser. Okay. Yeah, I could now go to my Epic RPG Guide emoji servers, but as you can see, I might as well use search for a needle in a haystack, so I just detail 2, there we go. That's the one I want. Add that to Navi's image folder. I don't know why it is in here, by the way. Oh no, wait. If I add it in here, it will get uploaded to GitHub and people will download it. Does Navi even use it? I'm pretty sure Navi does not use it. Otherwise it would be in here because people would have complained long ago. Nope. Not here. Great. That probably explains why it's nowhere to be found. Okay, well, let's just add it here. Anyway. Thank you. So, Navi. There we go. And guides. All right. Now let's just do this and this and see how that looks. Molly, where's your shit? Molly, images, emojis. Detail. I was about to call it detail 2. Detail 2 too. Yeah, that's not weird at all. Now, images. Detail 2. Great, now we have detail 2 and detail 2. No, oh my goodness. Detail 1, no, oh Jesus. Let's call it detail 2 new and what a mess. Okay. Oh God, I just remembered. I forgot something else I need to do today. Great. Oh well. Is that Molly? Yes, that's Molly. Okay. So, detail old. No, old. Detail. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Now let's open that once more. One thing I just noticed, by the way, up here, this is actually wrong. Small mistake, but all in all, yeah, I like this more than the other one if I keep the square. And I think I just might, just so there's a slight little difference to the other bots. No, that's my, oh God, I have such a mess with my bots by now. What? Wrong file. There we go. That's better. So. Yeah, I think I'll keep it like that. Now the only issue is, of course, if he will add more of these, this could get very high. On the other hand, because I now have 2 embeds, I will not run into the issue again of too many characters in the embed. At least I shouldn't. So he would have to add a lot for that to happen. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. I wanted to do some other stuff, but I guess that's it. I need to do some other stuff today, and most importantly, what I need to do is I need to fix Maya. Because let me just have a look. Because that never actually worked. I don't know why. It's probably another easy mistake. Let's see. Google Drive. No, that's not what I want. I want to. Oh. Great. No comment. There we go. Maya, how big is your database? 170 megabytes. Okay, that's not that bad yet. But if you look at Navi, which has been online for much longer, it's about the same size. So that's really not normal. Date accessed 11 May 2446. Ah, yes, thank you, Windows. That is good to know. Marty McFly, is that you? This has 11th May 2446. What? Okay, let me just to make sure that everything is in order here. Maya. Oh my god, I can't see shit. Pragma, not Oragma. I really can't. What is the command? Check. Integrity. That's okay. Ooh. Uh-oh, this is taking way too long. I need to do this directly on the server. Otherwise, I will just have people pop up and what happens? Yes, well. Yeah, I'm in the home. Somewhere in here there is Maya database. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay. SQLite. Maya. Okay. Why did I even enter that directory? Pragma integrity check. Yeah, I can't type anymore. Okay. No, everything's fine. How do I exit this? I always forget. Quit. Okay. Right. Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. I will leave it right here next time. What I would like to do is to start with the claim reminder. It's not gonna be a classic reminder. It's gonna be a little bit of a interesting thing. But I will explain and talk about that next time. So, yeah. Thank you for watching and see you next time.